A couple of other features that were with this new install is one of them is API export logging. So I don't know if any of you guys do API work, but basically what it does is this allows you. So let me generate a token for this. What this new feature is, or this method rather, is it's just this for export logging. So you're able to use the API to grab the logging for the project. So instead of having to go to this logging here and download it as a CSV, if you're using the API, you can grab it programmatically now. So if I just grab that and say that I want it as a CSV, if I click on execute request, it's going to pull up the data for all the logging. So if I ever want to pull that into a separate database or report and analyze that programmatically, now that's an option for the API. And you can see here that these are all of the methods that the API currently allows you to have. And so it's just another one that they added here for this new option.